Today, you will learn how to combine several Word documents into one single Word file. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document, or open the document that you want to use as your main file. Now, click the Insert tab. In the Text section, click the small arrow next to Object, then choose Text from File. Browse to the first Word document you want to add, select it, and click Insert. The contents of that document will be added to your main document. Repeat the same steps for every other Word document until all of them are combined into one file. Make sure you insert the documents in the correct order because they will appear exactly where you insert them. When you're finished, quickly check that the formatting, pictures, and spacing look correct, then save your combined document. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.